Hi there, you're here with Australian universities. Today we are going to review Murdoch University in Perth. Find out why Murdoch is popular with international students. Murdoch University places you close to the Australian bush in sunny Perth. The main campus in the southern suburbs is the largest in Australia by area, surrounded by native trees and wildlife. This peaceful setting offers a study experience unlike any other in the city. Murdoch is a teaching university with a strong focus on bachelor degrees. Popular fields include business, science, and veterinary science. The ATAR requirement is 70, which is about mid-range. Murdoch University is making waves in wildlife conservation. Researchers are using drones to monitor dugong populations and space technology to track whale sharks. These advanced tools help study the animals' movements and protect their habitats. Murdoch ranks 25th in Australia and has a world ranking of 501. It may not have the prestige of UWA or the size of Curtin, but it offers a good blend of education, nature, and international flavour. Out of Murdoch's 24,000 students, half are from abroad, around 12,700. That's as many international students as locals, creating a multicultural community you won't find elsewhere in Perth. Murdoch also has campuses in Singapore, Dubai, and Malaysia. Student life here is relaxed and community-focused. Clubs, social sports, and campus events are part of the experience, but everything moves at a slower pace. If you prefer a close-knit, laid-back atmosphere surrounded by nature, Murdoch is worth a look. For more info on Murdoch and other unis in Perth, visit Australian universities.